Hello folks. You know, a few days ago I got my latest issue of Model Aviation. That's the AMA's official publication. Well, as I scanned through it, I saw an ad for an RC Tethered Airplane Combat Kit or Pylon Racing. Well, I went on their website and tried to order one, only to find that I had to go to Walmart, Target, or a few other stores to get one. So I drove up to Walmart and found the Flyline RC packages. What I found is that they were $99.95 for the package, but advertised as a complete kit, I was expecting to see two planes. You know, you can't fly combat or pylon racing by yourself. Well, the only way to do that was to buy a separate kit, and they only have one plane each. Well, buying two kits, that seemed a little pricey for me to spend over $200 plus tax for two kits that would probably be broken right away anyway. Some of you may have already seen some of my U-Control videos, so you know I have this thing for them too. I learned on U-Control 55 years ago. It was fairly easy to make a tethered plane hookup, and I'm going to show you a few pictures here that should be self-explanatory, and you can do the same. I used the 64,000 steel cable for the line, which is standard U-Control cable. Of course, the use of fishing line would work too. I could use a shower curtain clip for the base line hookup, but I didn't have one, so I made my pole bearings from paint can lids, as you see here. You know, there's many ways to attach the cables at each end. I cut a few paper clips and hot melt glued them to the wings, as you can see. And on each end of the cable I connected the cables with zip ties and made clips that allows for easy changing of the planes. You know, since most of my planes have ailerons, I needed to program the transmitter so that the half rate switch was set for zero throw in the zero mode and for the rudder and ailerons. You know, you can't use ailerons or rudder in flight as the line must remain taut. Rudder dual rate 100% so I can actually run the rudder. Or if I flip the rudder switch dual rate, then I have no rudder. But the trim still works, and I have a trim slightly to the right to pull. Okay, same thing with the ailerons. Ailerons work fine. You throw the dual rate switch to zero, nothing. I have it trimmed for just a slight bit of right. Okay, make sure your wire is always on the leading or closer to the leading edge, more on the CG here when you're flying. If you have a transmitter you can't program, all you have to do is unplug your rudder and your aileron servos. So here are a few clips of the test flights, my two airplanes at once attempt, and a combat race with Jeff who just showed up. Let's see how it works.
Blowing like mad outside.
Actually, this is pretty good practice for learning takeoffs and landings.
Oh man, is that close? That thing cranks. Go. Whoa! That's a you can't do that. Oh. Oh. Yes! Whoa! I'm getting shorter too, landing. That is great.
Well, I'm sure the Flyline RC planes fly pretty much the same, although they use shorter strings. Outside could be fun though, but the winds could be an issue. Well, thanks so kindly for watching, hopefully subscribing, and if you get a chance, please visit rctelevision.org for more exciting videos.